Hi everyone, hope you're staying safe and happy, especially with the last cocktail. And here we are, as promised, to do the Lisbon Mule. So, a cocktail loosely based on the Moscow Mule with our ginger ale as base. So, if you're watching our videos for the first time, this ginger ale was made by us in our first video, so check it out so you know how to do the base for this cocktail. Okay, so today we're going to need pretty much the same that we needed the other day. So we start obviously with our shaker. The difference is the cup. We're going to use something similar to the Moscow Mule. We're going to use this stainless steel cup. Measuring, knife, glass, ice, a little bit of mint. Mint is just for flavoring at the end, so don't worry much about it. Limes, sugar, the gin, and some sparkling water. We're going to add a little bit of sparkling water. This drink is a little bit different from the other. The other is a stronger drink, more sweeter with stronger alcohol. This one is like more summer breeze kind of thing, with a bit of lime in the end. So it's really good, really light, but with a sick punch. So don't worry about the effect. So let's start with a cocktail. Grab your shaker, like the last time. First thing, put the ice in the shaker. And this time you're also going to grab the cup and put the ice right away in the cup. You want this cup to be really, really cold when the drink comes in. There we go. Let's put the ice here and the cup back in its place. Now, same story. We're going to cut the lime, squeeze the juice in, and big difference from the other one. The other one we just wanted the lime juice. This one we're going to leave the lime in because we want those oils of the peel of the lime to go into the drink. It makes it a little bit bitter and it's really tasty, really, really strong at the end. This will take the same amount, 25 centiliters of ginger ale. And it's half the amount of alcohol we're going to put, so 25. And 50 centiliters of gin. And we are going to put also sugar. This time we're going to use white sugar, okay? We don't want that rustic flavor of the yellow sugar in this drink. We want it more lemonade kind of thing. So, here we go. Process is really simple, and that's why you should have a shaker, because you're going to use this a lot. Actually, we use this shaker for mostly all our drinks. We don't use the stick to mash everything. We always use a shaker because it makes a much more clean drink. So, you need to put your arm into it. And here we go. I forgot about the strainer, actually. I have one here, don't forget about the strainer. And we're going to strain it in the cup. This cup is around 300 milliliters. So the contents of the shaker will fill it almost to the top. And we're going to top it off with sparkling water. Sparkling water in this case will be around 50 to 75 milliliters. You will also need a spoon to mix a little bit. And you top it off. Although we didn't use mint in the mix, the mint, just the aroma will give a nice touch to it. So smack it like before, put it in, and your drink is ready. So as you can see, 2 minutes, you have your cocktail ready. Simple, really flavorful. Let me have a taste of this now. Wow, very good. Okay guys, hope you enjoy this one. And if you like this video, please subscribe. It really helps us, and we can continue doing this and showing our secrets to you. The next video will be about the mojito. Mojito is an amazing drink that brings me amazing memories about my friends, my rugby friends, when we went out, and they always ask me for this recipe because they love it. So next time, see you here, and it's going to be the mojito.